Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this photo on Facebook, and there's been a couple of discussions on how to make it, and the only problem I'm having, and so don't take my word on this, on how to draw this. I mean, but I just don't know how many. It's hard by this picture to zoom in to find out how many sticks there are. So if anybody has any input, and you've got to think about, we're going to spin them on the center. So you only need to count half of them because, this stick is going to go to the other side. And I just kind of playing around, and I am going to try to cut this out sometime this week. So I made a stick that is 15 inches by 3/4. And then I made a stick that's just 3 inches by 3/4. I put a 1/2 inch hole into both of them, and you'd want to check with your dowel. I would think you'd want to put a dowel there. And then all you do is just take your two pieces and separate them. I've got the whole group together. Select them both, go up to effects and blend, and let's blend them 94 times because we've already got two, and that's going to give us 96. And when I kind of figured that out, I counted that there might be more, but if you go with quite a bit more, you're going to have a lot of cutting and a lot of wood. And this thing, if you use 1/4 inch MDF, which is what I think they're using, 96 of them are going to be 2 feet tall. So your Christmas tree would be 2 feet tall. And then you would just put them in your laser bed, go to a range of blend apart. You still need to break them apart, and because they're grouped together, so ungroup them, and then just take some and put them in your laser bed, and you're going to want to put them closer than that. And it might even be helpful to figure out how to get them not only closer together, but maybe where it wouldn't have to, well, that's not going to work because the fact that they're different lengths. You might be able to do it another way, and if I come up with that. So do not cut this out yet. And then on these, you could actually mirror them so they would fit in your laser bed. And those particular aren't going to fit, but you could take the smaller ones with the bigger ones, and these are where you'd really want to put them closer together. So this is going to take if you have a big laser bed or big MDF sheets, it's going to take like 3 or 4 sheets of MDF. It's going to take a lot of cutting. Anyway, so give me your feedback on that, on how many sticks there are, and stay tuned in the upcoming weeks. I'm going to try to cut one out. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.